South Korea is broadening the range of groups eligible for inoculation. The short-term goal is to have more than 13 million people vaccinated with at least one shot before this month is up. Jang Tae-hyun fills us in.
South Korea is speeding up its inoculation process and is on track to reach its goal set for the end of this month.
If people get vaccinated on dates they've reserved, then we can achieve the goal of inoculating 13 million people in the first half of the year, which will be more than 25% of the country's population.
The health authorities on Monday announced further plans for the campaign, which include giving the Moderna vaccine to medical staff under 30 starting mid-June. And for those older than 30 who are living on hard-to-reach islands where there are no doctors, they can receive the one-shot Janssen vaccine, which will be distributed by Navy vessels starting mid-June. Vaccination plans after July will be announced in the third week of June after discussions with the COVID-19 Vaccination Management Task Force. But the rough plan is to inoculate school teachers, high school seniors, and people in the 50s in July. People aged 60 to 64 began receiving the AstraZeneca vaccine at medical facilities nationwide on Monday. 395,000 are eligible to get the shot, and about 78% of those have signed up for a spot. Health authorities are urging people over the age of 60 to get the shot, as they can get severely ill when infected with the coronavirus, and vaccination can lower the risk of fatality. According to research on those who received the AstraZeneca vaccine in the country, getting one shot is 90% effective against getting the virus and has a 100% prevention rate against COVID-19 fatality. And from Monday, 350,000 troops under 30 started getting the Pfizer vaccine.
We can concentrate on our mission through vaccination. We hope that all people can overcome the pandemic any sooner.
Military personnel over the age of 30 received the AstraZeneca vaccine last month. Vaccinated people will get a badge to signify that they've had their jabs, with even an inoculation sticker added to their personal ID. Meanwhile, first and second grade teachers at elementary schools and workers at kindergartens and daycare centers, if they're under the age of 30, can reserve the Pfizer vaccine starting Monday. Those eligible can make bookings until the start of vaccinations in mid-June. As of Monday, the country has vaccinated over 7.5 million people, 14.8% of the nation's population. Jang Tae-hyun, Arirang News.